What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. This time we are on Twitter, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your Twitter account private and make it so that your tweets are protected and nobody else can see them except people that you specifically approve can follow you, just like you would on Instagram or whatever. But for whatever reason, Twitter wants to hide this and make it so that it's really hard to get in there. But I'll be showing you exactly where you need to go and what to do to enable this feature. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my Twitter app right here just so I can show you what is going on. And it's just going to take me here with my notifications. Doesn't matter where it's at though. From here, you're going to end up hitting your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner there. Once you've done that, it has this little toolbar here with a bunch of different things. But once you're here, you will scroll all the way down and it's going to take you to settings there. Settings and privacy, you will click on that. Once you're at the settings and privacy here, 5 options down is privacy and safety. You will go into that menu there. And then once you're in privacy and safety, finally the top option there, audience and tagging, you will go into that menu there. And there's only 2 options here, and right at the top there is protect your tweets. That is the private feature on Twitter. The way they word it makes a little bit odd, but you don't have to save it or anything. You just hit that lever and you could directly back out. And from here, it'll make it so that your account is private and you will have to approve anybody that tries to request to follow you. And if you do go on your profile while this is enabled, it's not going to show any of the tweets. It'll just show the bio, how many people you're following, and your profile picture. Just make it nice and simple if you don't want anybody to see your private life with your photos or tweets or anything like that, and you can just keep it to your friends. There's also another option for photo tagging. If you want to disable that as well, you might get some spam tags, and it might be nice and friendly to just disable that as well. That is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions though, feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.